This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Glenda Gilliam. Come see the quality const. In this immaculate custom home with an entrance adorned by a unique planter box strategically exposed to sunlight, custom drapery and richly blended colors. Open floor plan, tiered ceilings, crown molding, surround sound, large living area, WBFP and granite countertops. Other well thought out amenities include 4x6 storm safe room, oversized utility room with custom tiled wash station, perfect for quick pet cleanup and 3-car garage. Located in a cul-de-sac west walking trail, tennis courts and pavilion nearby. For more information, review the details below or contact Glenda Gilliam at 903-815-6170.